Hi, it's Vicki Reed with Paint by Heart. I'm giving you a quick tour today of the Quantum Keys show, which is going to be up at Tay Modern in Phoenix through the third week in March. The Quantum Keys are painted with your ability to access the quantum field in mind, and of course, the quantum field is something you'll be hearing more and more about as time goes forward. Many of you expressed an interest in seeing the show and were not able to come in person for various reasons, so we put this quick video together so that you can see the pieces in the show, and I hope you enjoy.